Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another way that you can make money in your extra time. A little side hustle, side money. Now, this is not going to be something that you make a full-time income at, but it's something you can log on and do when you want to make extra money in between other responsibilities and jobs. This website is called Qmee. You can make money in many different ways. They have surveys that you can take to make money. The surveys are supposed to be simple and easy. If you're already shopping online, you can get cash back. They have games that you can play to make money, and you can even make money from searching the internet like Google. If you're on a computer, they do have a Chrome extension where you can get paid for just searching and clicking on websites. You don't have to buy anything or anything like that. They also have smartphone apps. So yes, this is something if you don't have a computer, you can still do from your phone. They have an app for iOS and Android. You can get the app either on the Google Play Store or on the Apple App Store. Now, they promise to pay out instantly, and there's no minimum cash out. So you can literally cash out daily if you want to and get all of your money. So if you are in a situation where you need like $10 for gas or something, you get on here, you complete a few surveys, you get your money, you cash it out, and then you go to the gas station. They have a few options for cash outs, PayPal, gift cards, things like that. You can also do Venmo, and it's completely free to sign up and get started. You just sign up by entering your email address, creating a passcode, and then agreeing to the terms and conditions. So let's create an account and dive in and see what we can do and how much money you could actually make. Are there surveys available instantly as soon as you create an account? We're about to find out together. All right, so as soon as you enter your email address and create a password, it's going to ask you to fill out a few demographics about yourself, like your date of birth. It'll ask you to provide your zip code. It'll ask you your gender, and these demographics are just going to help qualify you for surveys, because not every survey you'll qualify for. Some surveys are looking for demographics of certain people. It'll ask you if you're married, your income level, your education level, and your employment status. You will have the option after that to answer even more questions about your race, health, political views. If you want to be matched with more surveys, I do suggest that you do these questions as long as you're comfortable doing them. You will have to agree again to terms of service. And then it's going to pop you over to these surveys. And right away, we see that we have quite a few surveys available. This one is only 3 minutes long and promises a 45 cents. So before we get into the searching and the browser extension, let's go ahead and see how this survey works and see if we can get instant payout. Now you notice up here at the top, my account balance so far is $0 because we've not made any money yet. So let's just start this quick survey. All right, and it's gonna ask you what your household income is. You're gonna have some demographics yet again. What pets or animals do you have? I do have a dog. All right, enter my age. I am 37. My zip code. I am a female. Which of the following indoor pets do you own? We kind of just answered this, but again, I have a dog. How many dogs do you have? I have one. Thinking of your dog, and this one is a great survey because it gives you like your completion percentage at the top, which I like because sometimes you feel like they're taking forever and you just want to know how far you are from being done if you've ever done surveys online before. Thinking of your dog who's in your household is the primary decision maker for purchasing their food. I am. Thinking about all the brands that sell products for dogs, which brands come to mind? Okay. Whoops, can't spell. Science Diet. Purina, I don't know how you spell that. What is it? Blue Buffalo. And I can't think of any off the top of my head other than those. What is your familiarity with each brand that offers products for dogs? Nurture Vet, I've never heard of that. Century, never heard of it. Thundershirt, I have heard of it, never tried it. Purple Mountain, never heard of it. Zesty Paws, never heard of it. Be Serene, never heard of it. Never heard of this Zen Dog. Oh, I have heard of Kong, but never tried it. Never heard of this one. Adaptil, never heard of it. Blue Buffalo, I've heard of it, never tried it. Never heard of this one. Never heard of this one. And we all these brands that it's asking us to do, we're still on the 21% here. Never heard of this one. All right, so we had to answer all those questions just to qualify to complete this study about pet products, and now it's saying this should take 10 minutes. Earlier it was saying 3 minutes, so let's see how long it actually takes. Which brands below would you consider purchasing for your dog? Those two. Which brands have you purchased in the past? None of these. Oh, this is actually going pretty quickly. I don't think it'll take the 10 minutes it stated. I think it overstated that. Does your dog ever experience or exhibit any of the following behaviors? No. I am familiar with the Thunder shirt. I've not purchased it though, because my dog doesn't have any anxiety issues. Is someone familiar? Did you first learn about the brand? About a year ago. Friends or family. In the past 6 months, have you heard or seen anything about them? I've heard from friends and family. How often have you heard people about this? Once or twice. How familiar are you? I mean, I've never tried it. How likely would you be to recommend? Like in the middle. The last few questions are for classification purposes only. All right, now we're at 86%. So this did not take like 10 minutes to get through. Do you personally experience any type of show? No. I am divorced. How many children under the age? Oh, my daughter just turned 18, so we have no more children under the age of 18. You have to redo your household income, your race. All right. And now we're done with this survey. It says, cha-ching, we earned 45 cents. It can take up to 2 hours for it to show up. Do you want to share your experience with us? We'll say no thanks for now. And even though it says it, we have got our 45 cents already. So we've made some money already, and that was pretty quick. Okay, before seeing if there are no minimums and you can cash out instantly, let's explore some of the other ways that you can make money on this website. Now, going back to the surveys for a minute, there seems to be plenty of surveys available. But moving on to their cashback section, if you're going to be doing shopping for the holiday season, since this is supposed to be instant cash outs, you might want to check this out. Even if you're like ordering food online to go pick it up or anything like that, they have things like Panera Bread, Walmart, all of these things where we're shopping for the holiday season that you can get cash back. So might as well get cash back. And then you can probably combine this with a cashback credit card to even double up on your cash back. They also have a deals section, which is kind of the same thing on Cashback. They'll give you discounts or percentages off if you are purchasing some products. They even have, like, if you're going to open up an Acorns account for saving or investing, you can get free $20 bonus just for using their link. Now, as far as gaming goes, this is where you will have to go to the App Store or the Android Google Play Store and download the app if you want to play games, because these games you're going to have to actually click through their link to download the game link, and then it tells you what you have to do. But some of these pay very well. Some of them are for iOS only, while some of them are for Android only. So you can definitely search for a specific game that you're interested in. If you're going to be sitting around playing games anyway, you might as well be making money off of it. Like this first one, if you have an Android, they will pay you up to $37 to play the Smash Party Hero action game. Now, you do have to defeat the crime in your city with your squad of things. And if you click on it before you even go to the app and download it, you can see where you can earn money for the different levels. So when you're playing this game, if you complete World 1 through 10, you'll earn 3 cents. And then it goes up. You earn 5 cents for 2 through 10, 8 cents for 3 to 10. So if you complete 1, you get 3 cents. You get 5 cents for the next level, 8 cents for the next one, and it goes up. So if you play and get through all 10 levels, you can earn pretty much over $20 just for playing this game. And if you're on your computer and you're looking at it and you decide it's something you want to do, you can just take your phone and scan the QR code to start the process of getting the game on your phone to play. Now, they do have a blog on their website as well if you want to read up on different ways to make money. But now we're to the search box. You can make money by, yes, searching things like Google and Amazon, which we're doing every day anyway. This only works with Google Chrome, so you got to be using Google Chrome to do it. But if you come over here once you are logged into your Qmee account and do the search, you'll have to install the browser. There'll be a button that says get the browser app. So we're just going to click on that. And it's going to take us to the Chrome web store. We're going to add to Chrome, add extension. And then once we add the extension, it's going to take us automatically back to the Qmee website. Now it says, let's get our first reward. Now that you have the browser app installed, it'll automatically work when you're searching on Google or Amazon or things like that. So let's go earn our first reward with Google. So it takes us to the Google search. And right here on the sidebar, this is your main Google search page if you're interested in not earning money. But anything you search for, if they have a website that will pay you to click and review that website, it's going to show up in this sidebar here. And we do have one where they're going to pay you 10 cents automatically to go back to the Qmee webpage just for testing this out. So we'll click right here on this. And you can see it has added our 10 cents. That means that we have this browser extension installed and it is working. So let's pull up a new tab. I'm just on the Google search page and I'm just going to search here for headphones. Now, if you give it a minute to load, you're going to see that the Qmee sidebar pops up on the side. If there's any websites that you can get paid just for checking out the website, for your search, they're going to pop up on this sidebar. So GearBest is a website that will pay us 5 cents just for checking it out. So we are just going to click here on this website. And we're just going to check this website out. Now, when we click back over to our Qmee, we see that we've added another 5 cents, went from 55 cents to 60 cents just for searching Google. So now let's go back to Google again and we'll search again for laptops. Now notice this time our Qmee bar did not pop up. It'll only pop up if there are websites available in the category that you are searching for to make money off of. So let's just type in make money online. And all of a sudden we have this pops up, but it doesn't say that we're going to earn any money from it. Now this little search thing works when you're searching on Amazon as well. So far this website gets a thumbs up from me as far as you can log in and immediately start making money. But let's test out the can you cash out with no minimums and cash out instantly. So the way that you're going to cash out, it's going to work the same on the desktop web browser version as it will in the app. You're going to click on your little button that has your account balance on it. And it's going to take you to your account balance page where you'll choose how you want to cash out. You can cash out through PayPal, Venmo, gift cards, or give it to charity. I'm just going to click on PayPal, and it's going to then ask you the first time you do this to link to your PayPal account. So once you put in your username and password for your PayPal account, you'll have to agree to it to accept your name, email address, add your mailing address, and your account verification status. We'll just hit agree and continue, and then it's going to link your Qmee account to your PayPal account. And now it's going to bring you back to the cash out page. So if you have multiple PayPal accounts listed, you'll have a drop down here that says what email address your PayPal is associated with it that you want to cash out. You just choose your PayPal account and it says select an amount. And down here under the amount box, it'll be 0 where you can take the 0 out and enter in how much you want to cash out. It will tell you in very small green how much your available balance is. And if we click that, it'll enter that amount in the box. So we're cashing out the entire balance, which is only 60 cents. Because I just did this for a few minutes just to test it out. Now we're going to hit review cash out and it says 60 cents to my PayPal. It says your rewards usually arrive within a few minutes to an hour, but during PayPal's busy times, don't panic, you'll see it. So they're saying that they send it instantly, but sometimes there may be a delay on PayPal's side. So we're just going to hit confirm cash out. And now you can see that it negative our account 60 cents. So now we're $0 again. And once you've cashed out for the first time, it gives you this little chart of how your total earnings, how much you've made from search and survey. So it gives you this little chart breakdown. And if you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you can see your transaction history where it shows you all of your transactions. We made 45 cents from that survey, 10 from the search, 5 from the search, and it shows our PayPal cash out of 60 cents as processing. So it does still show that our PayPal cash out is processing. Of course, it did say that it could take like an hour or so. So we will keep watching this and I will show you when it hits my PayPal account. Just for reference, right now when I am filming this, it is 10:56 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But I do just want to show you for right now, on my PayPal balance, I have nothing in there. So as soon as the 60 cents shows up, we will know where it's from. Okay, so we have refreshed my account balance page and it no longer shows my PayPal cash out is processing, so it has processed. Now, the time after I recorded all that, I said was 10:56 a.m. It actually marked my cash out as being at 10:54 a.m. But at 11:55 a.m., if you can see, I did receive an email saying that I had received money from Qmee in my PayPal account. So if we switch over to my PayPal account, we can now see that my PayPal balance is that 60 cents that we cashed out. And if we scroll on down, we can see that payment came from Qmee. So my overall review on this one is that it does work. You can get surveys. We have one now that has shown up for $1.15. So there are plenty of surveys available on this website and you can cash out instantly and get your money within an hour, and they do allow daily cash outs. So this one is a win. But if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you've heard of any other survey websites or websites where you can make money, things, phones, apps, anything that you want me to test out live and see if it works, leave it down in the comments below. I will certainly do that. But don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more ways for you to make money online.